Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to create coloring book using free resources to publish on KDP and make money. So in this video I am going to cover where to get images and how to turn them into line drawings and make a coloring book to publish on Amazon KDP. So before going to details of that, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. For making a coloring book, you need to have some images and then turn that images using a free software into line drawing and then put those line drawings into a Word document or MS Microsoft document and make a PDF. So let's get started. Firstly, go to pixabay.com. You can go to any free images site where you don't need to pay or for the licenses. I'm here on Pixabay. I search for cats and then clicked on vectors. And here I am looking for an image which has these type as lines or outlines, prominent outlines. An image that has prominent outlines would work best for coloring. So I have already downloaded this image. So let's check out. This is here. And I also downloaded a unicorn image. Let's check it out. Unicorn and this one. I have downloaded this as well. This is free. You can sign up for a free account on Pixabay and download as many free images as you can. But before downloading an images for coloring books, you need to make sure that it has outlines like this, or not thick outlines but outlines, so that you can easily remove the colors and turn it into a line drawing. So let me show you how to turn these images into line drawings. I am using a free software that is called as paint.net. You can download it free from internet. So I am here on this image. I will right click on it and open with paint.net, and you can see here new image has been opened in the paint.net. Now click on magic wand here on the menu, magic wand, then click here. Now click delete. Now click here, then hit delete. Click in the white color, click delete. Then again you need to delete one by one all colors, or you can hold shift and click on the one color to select all of the same range. Now for example, let me undo this. I am undoing and then I will redo. For example, I need to select these white colors in one go. Then I will press shift, then click on the white color. It will select all the white color, then I will click on delete. Now the white color has been deleted. Now I will go to file and save it as PNG or JPG, but I will save it as PNG. So PNG, and rename it to 3. Then click on OK. So let's check it out. This is 3. You can see it is perfectly optimized for coloring. Now let's do another image. right click and click open with paint.net. Now by holding shift and pressing click to magic wand, then hold shift and click on the white color. It will select all the white colors. Now the whole thing between these lines has been deleted and this image has been turned into a lined art or clip art. Then go to file and save it as you can also save it as JPEG. I am saving it as PNG. I am saving it as Kitty. Line art. Save. Click OK. And let's check it out. This was our original image. Now it has been turned into lined. You can see here perfectly clip art for coloring purposes. So what I am going to tell you is you can search these images from pexels.net as well. That is Pexels. There are many sources. You can also get these images from PacTZ. These are all the free resources. You can use them to download these images for your coloring book. Here you can select vectors and then click on free ones, and here you can type cats and it will show you the vectors, free vectors. But you need to look for an image that has outlines, prominent outlines like this. You can select one of these images. The image should be not very complex, not so colorful, or can be colorful but not so complicated. This is not complicated. This is very simple. This can be used. You can use this one, this one. All these images can be used for coloring and for making a line art using paint.net. So you can download 20 to 25 or 30 images, and using paint.net you can turn them into line arts like this. You can see here these are the totally lined one, and then you can go to Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, and create a design slide size to I have already created is 7 inches. Its width is 7 inches. You can also create 8.5 or 8 inches, and its height is into 10. 7 into 10 or 8 into 10 or 8.5 into 11, as long as you as far as you can go. So you can see here I have inserted those images into these pages. Let me do this for you. I am deleting this. Go to insert pictures and select this one, number 3, and you need to resize it so that it doesn't go beyond the margins. Click on this image, then go to image format and then align center and then align middle. You can also write something here like unicorn, its name. Now duplicate this like this and delete this one. Then again go to insert and pictures, and from the picture folder add the next picture. Again resize it so that it doesn't go beyond the margins. Then again align it, align center, then align middle. So let's check it out. Go to slideshow from the beginning. Next. So it is perfectly optimized for coloring purposes. You can then go to File and click on Export and export it as PDF. This is how you can easily create coloring books for publishing on KDP using images from pixabay.com and turn them into line art using free software like paint.net. You can also use some other tools like PicMonkey. You cannot turn them into line drawing using Canva. I don't know how to do that in Canva, but I can do in paint.net and other softwares. So I hope you will like this video. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.